focus here. Need to get a good grip on this rope.
Heavy, really stuck.
Almost got it free.
See that cluster there? We need to start scraping that section right away.
Need to adjust the pressure, it's getting clogged.
Move the hose deeper, try to break up the sludge.
Almost done with this section, it's clearing up.
Good, we can see the bottom now. God, this stuff is really on here. Oh, almost got it. Ooh, finally. Let's get this mud off. Just a little more. Clean now. Time to inspect. Keep moving. This isn't going to get any easier. That should do it. Finally got that section clean. Keep sweeping. Got it, more over here. Watch out for the dip. The weld is strong here, so good work. And the plating is even. Okay, that's 32 inches. Now need to make sure this rectangle is straight. Marking it now, then writing RC M-Ship 2.
All right, time to make some progress on this section. That's a good start. Look at that difference.
This section here looks good. Okay, noted. Looks like this spot needs a little extra.
All right, pulling this tape now.
Perfect, good job.
See this line item? We have to verify the coating thickness right here.
Understood. I'll sign off on it once it's done.
Checklist complete. Departure green. Moving out. Copy. Tugs engaging.
All right, let's test the light. There's the spot. Looks good.
Try using the cloth to catch that.
Right, it's pretty messy.
There's more over here.
All right, time to tackle this corrosion. Oh, just a little more pressure should do it. Almost got it.
Together now. Boom. Just a little more. Okay, it's loose.
All right, nice and steady. Perfect. Done.
Okay, let's find the correct paint. We need to touch up the hull near the fuel injectors. Let's start with the red. That should do it. Check, check, adjusting pressure, confirmation. All systems nominal. Okay, this joint looks ready. Just need to seal it up tight. Smooth application, looking good. Done. That should hold. Okay, looks good. Need to mark that section. Looks ready.
Is this hot enough?
Yeah, drop the sponges in. Let's get this grease off.
Keep pouring. Okay, it's full. Pass me the solution. All right, opening it now. Good flow, checking the pressure. The flow is slowing down. I'll mark it.
Copy that, looks good.
Tightening the seal now. How's the pressure hold up? Perfect, we're good to go.